marbling. I'm gonna pick up the clear, just a little bit pink. Give it a little swirl. Pick up the clear and just a small portion of the pink, hot pink. And remember, when you're doing it for marbling for the clients, make sure you advise your clients is none of them are the same. They are different and they're not identical. Blend them out. For the beginner, it's better for you to do a small portion. It's easy for you to control than a bigger portion of the nails. The clear liquid, I mean the monomer, Miss Michelle or Miss Stephanie, is the monomer. I'm using a monomer. This is the monomers I'm using right here. That's why you're seeing it look clear on the clear nails, right? Blend that. Every time you finish with one bead, you want to make sure you blend it. So then when you apply the next beads on it, it looks nice and smooth. Without looks lumpy and bumpy. Looks great. Just a little bit on the side right there if you want to touch it up. But it's not necessary because we want to put some glitter on it. Pick up some of my clear. Just give it a little brush. Pick up some of my glitter. I have it right on my side right there. If you want more, you can do more. It's like no limit of what you would like to put your glitter on. So if you're happy with this, we just like cap it with a clear. I think it looks great. I am going to cap it with the clear to protect my marbling design. Get it closer to the cuticles. And then I just tilt the client's nail down and just guide them right in the center of the nails. So they're not gonna run onto the side. If you want to use more than one color marbling, like if you want to do 2 colors, make sure you get your lighter color pigment first and then the darker colors of the pigment. Like, because you don't want to pick the darker one first because it's gonna cancel out your colors. Oh, Roya, the package of glitter that I'm using is the Blast of Color, and you can search that on our website, link in the bios, and it's under, I believe it's under New Year specials. So it's a Blast of Colors. If you type it in on a search, you say blast color, it will pop up for you. It's the newest glitter collection. You will never go wrong with this. I absolutely freaking love this because it's so dramatic. It's really hard. You have to experience yourself because in my end, they are so sparkle. As if you're seeing it on some of our video, we've done so many different videos with this. It's really dramatic. I really absolutely love it. So take this over there. Let me see. I can do one of yellow one. I'm gonna do this yellow. You wanna see this yellow? We'll do that one a little bit. Oh, okay. Let's see.